Cleaning brushes for dishes are an essential tool in any kitchen. There are many products available to choose cleaning brushes for dishes, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best cleaning brushes for dishes from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. SetSale Dish Brush Set. SetSale Cleaning Brushes is a set of 4 multipurpose cleaning brushes suitable for cleaning pots, dishes, kitchen, bathroom, water bottle, and corners. The ergonomic design with non-slip rubber handles makes the brushes effortless to use and helps protect your hands. The built-in scraper tip design helps remove stuck-on food particles or tough stains on cast iron pans, pots, and sinks. The durable and high-quality fiber resists abrasion, flattening, and deformation, ensuring easy scrubbing away of food, stains, and dirt without sticking. With a better guarantee, SetSale cleaning brushes are a reliable choice for your cleaning needs. Number 2. HollicMe 5-Pack Kitchen Cleaning Brush. The HollicMe 7-Pack Kitchen Cleaning Brush set includes 7 brushes for all-purpose use, such as dish cleaning brush, bendable kitchen brush, scouring pad brush, tile lines brush, and groove gap brush. The durable nylon bristles of the dish cleaning brush help scrub away dirt, while the built-in scraper removes baked-on spots. The bendable kitchen brush's design makes it easier to clean corners and curved surfaces, while the non-scratch scouring pad brush is friendly for surfaces. The Tile Lines brush helps clean corners of your home. Number 3. 2-Pack Kitchen Dish Brushes. The Funy Kitchen dish brushes are eco-friendly cleaning tools that are perfect for your kitchen cleaning needs. With a sturdy bamboo handle and non-scratch, odorless bristles, these brushes are not only comfortable to use, but also safe for your cookware and tableware. The built-in scraper on the scrub brush head easily removes stuck-on food, making it a breeze to clean pans, pots, and even your kitchen sink. The long handle of the brush protects your hands from getting wet and touching the washing liquid, ensuring a hygienic cleaning experience. These brushes are also versatile, suitable for household cleaning, shower, and bathroom cleaning. With the Funy Kitchen dish brushes, keeping your kitchen clean has never been easier. Number 4. Joe's Edge Dish Brush. The Joe's Dish Brush is a versatile cleaning tool that offers convenience and efficiency in one. With its non-scratch, curved brush head, and integrated pan scraper, it is perfect for tackling tough stains and dried-on food. The excess water drains directly into the sink, keeping your countertop clean and dry. The non-slip resting point grips the sink edge, providing stability and preventing the brush from slipping off. Its innovative space-saving design ensures that it won't take up unnecessary space in your kitchen. With the Joe's Dish Brush, you can effortlessly clean your dishes and utensils, making your kitchen chores a breeze. Number 5. 2-Pack Kitchen Dish Brush Bamboo Handle Dish Scrubber Built-in Scraper. These dish scrub brushes are designed with an ergonomic bamboo handle that fits comfortably in your hand and have a built-in scraper to easily remove stuck-on food. Made of earth-friendly materials, the non-scratch and odorless bristles are durable and safe to use in cookware and tableware. They are great for cleaning dishes, pans, pots, sink, stoves, kitchen utensils, countertops, and bathtubs. The pack of 2 brushes comes with a hanging loop for air drying and storage. Customer service is a top priority.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.